Hello everyone, and today we're going to be doing some for loops. We're going to be doing, what else is there? Uh, there was while loops, do while, and switch. So these four things. So first of all, let's start with the switch. So if we want to check if temp equals to high, or if this equals to whole, or if this equals to blah. So you can do this, or you can use switch statements, and we're going to do this, or switch in case. So if we type in the variable here, you can either use the previous method I told you, which uh, or you can use this, which is actually made for doing this. So oops, need to type in there. So you can pretty much see right now where I'm going with this. So if it is the temp is blah, then it's going to do whatever is in between there. If it is high, then it's going to do whatever's in here. If it is whole, then it's going to do whatever's in here. So simple. That's switch in case for you. Now, by the way, if you can hear the birds, then my window's open because it's really hot here. So, anyways, uh, next thing, what was it? While. Let's start with while then. While, and you can do temp equal equals to blah. Now you can do break. So when it reaches there, it ends the while loop. And keep in mind that the while loops, if it can go forever. Well, yeah. So for example, it can crash your uh, program because if I don't have break there, now it can go forever because temp isn't gonna be temp is always gonna be blah, so it can just go forever and never end and just crash your program. So just saying. Anyways, now let's go on with for loops. I hope you did get while loops. So it'll basically wait, let me just do something. It'll basically keep going on until it'll basically keep repeating this until this statement is false. So for, and there actually for each, I should tell you about that as well. So there's 5 int c equals to 0, c is smaller than, let's just say, temp dot length, and c plus plus. I think we've actually used this before. So here was this does. So this will start, and this will set the z to 0 and repeat whatever's in here, like 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So it's going to repeat whatever's in here 3 times because temp dot length, which is the length of this, is 3. So 1, 2, 3, as you can see. And C++ basically means whenever it does it once, add 1 to the C, so it goes to the next one. When it's here, then it goes here, then it goes here, then it goes here, then it ends. And it's only gonna keep repeating this unless this is uh, true. So if C is smaller than temp.length, then it's only gonna repeat this. We're gonna start off with C being 0, and each time we do this, add 1 to the C. Simple. So now we can do like print C, or we can do temp C. Now that will print B and then A, L, then A separately. And there is also for each, and this basically is for each, I'm just doing for each character in temp. So temp, this is a word, So for each character in temp, which is BLA 3 characters, print C. Now you're probably wondering what is the uh, like if you want to do this like what I did right now. Wait, let me just copy this and okay, now print. In fact, we'll just leave it like this. So you're probably wondering, okay, why would I use this instead of this, since you know it's actually shorter to type. Well, the advantage of this is you can do temp C. You can like select one and make it equal to something. So equal to, I don't think you can do that with character, but we'll try this anyways. So yeah, you can't do that with characters. But if this was an array, we could have done that. So let's just make this. There we go. Now we can do that. See, this is an array. Now it's going through the array, and now we're actually making it equal to string since it's an array. Okay. Now, hopefully you know what our array is. So new string. Let's do true. So hi and hello. So now it's going to set the hello to C, and in here we can't make it equal to something. So we can't make it equal to something like hi, because you know it doesn't work like that. But we can get the value which C. So it's a read only. So it's going to loop through this hello and hi, and it's going to print out both hello first and then hi. But this it's going to replace this with C first and then this with hi. Or if you want to just replace one, you can do this if C equals to 2. So 2. Here we need to do if C equals to like hi. Okay, now that is this. Now let's go on with while and do while. In fact, let's do while first, then you'll understand better do while. So, oh no, did we do while? I think yeah, we did do while, didn't we? Yes, we did. Anyways, do while. I actually can't believe I forgot we did do while. So what do while is basically, let's change this back to a string and remove all this. So okay, now what this does is it's going to do whatever's in here, okay, and then it's going to check if temp equals to that. If it is, then it's going to do this again and then check if it equals to that. If it doesn't, then it's going to just continue on, you know, it's just going to end this. So it's going to repeat once no matter what happens, but then it's going to do this. So that is basically the gist of it. I guess you understand. Print, since you can't really reply right now. So yep, that is it. To be honest, I have actually only once used this, and yep, that's it. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment, obviously. So see ya.